Hello and welcome. Now, in this section, we will be just discussing why we model software, and then eventually we will definitely learn UML, and that is the basic thing what we will be doing in this particular course. But the most important reason we need to know is why are we modeling software? Now, we model software to achieve a high level of quality from our finished product. Hope you all agree with that. Now, a well architected product will pay off in the end. Now, if you have heard it before, but you just don't know how or why, high quality doesn't just happen. There are a number of things that occurs in between the stages of conception and finished product that are direct result of modeling prior to the development. Quality is a product of ease of development, shorter development cycles, better user documentation, and lesser bugs through a better testing. In fact, a good structure will last and a poor structure will fail. Hope you all agree on that. Now, taking an example, say for example, Lego. Now, I am sure you have played with this at least once in your life. If you remember correctly, or if you have kids, if they are doing it now, there are very few restrictions as to how Legos can go together. You can put bricks on top of the little people's heads just as easily as you can put a roof on four walls. Software is like this. In most of the cases, you can write code with very few restrictions. If you also remember, all the Lego set are meant to build a particular structure, whether it is a house, space station, hospital, castle, or a Titanic, what I am showing in this video. Have you ever tried to build one of these things from the site? Have you ever said, I am going to build a castle with these logos and then just started building? Many new software developers these days I have seen that they are doing, hey, I know how to write software, so I will put everything directly and start coding without seeing any design, without thinking about the system. Similarly, if you start putting the Legos together and you say that I can build a system, your intention is good, but you need some technique and need some work there to make sure that it is working as you intend it to happen. Otherwise, you will take more and more time. You can build the same Titanic. If you don't spend too much time, you can still build this Titanic, but you will take a lot of time if you don't see at the specs what they have given with the Lego box. So I'm just saying you, when you are modeling a software modeling also takes longer than development. It is in fact that development time can drastically reduced if you start planning the software modeling and then start documenting what you need to build in the first place. Okay, keeping that into context, let's move to the next section.